Why did I come to this island anyways? Oh, hey guys! Almost didn't see you there. And hello, Anki. Oh, he said hello. Thankfully, there are no carnivores. Ah, T-Rex! Someone help me. He's biting me. Ow, ow, oh no, my shell. Oh, he dead. And today, we're going to build a fossil of a T-Rex. I have already connected some fossils. Do. And shrink it to a size of a... Wait, why is the bone bigger than the T-Rex is? Is this the Giganotosaurus? There. He looks like something out of a horror movie. What is this type of species? A type of dinosaur? A sauropod? A tripodopod? Or two-legopod? Write your answers in the comments below.